bad girl. I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So what's going on, everybody on YouTube? As you can see, we are doing a video test of the Umidigi Power. I almost say the A3, but this is the Umidigi Power. Has a 16 megapixel camera in the back that has a primary sensor, and it has a secondary sensor, which is 5 megapixels. It's a depth sensor. So the depth sensor is just used to take portrait mode photos or bokeh photos. Bokeh, whatever you want to say. But this is the video part of the camera here, and this is at full HD, 30 frames per second. I'm not going to tap the focus or anything like that. I'm just going to see if the camera can get it by itself. And it's kind of struggling right there, but there we go. Now we got it focused because I tapped it there. But as you can see, the quality isn't too bad. The focusing on it could be better. I can tell you that right now. But it's picking up the sky pretty decently. Yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a zoom in test for you. It's 4x digital zoom, and this is actually not bad. I've seen worse on phones that are more expensive. So I'm gonna switch around to the front facing video, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So what's going on, everybody on YouTube? This is a front facing video of the Umidigi Power. Front camera is a 16 megapixel sensor. Now the video should be at full HD, 30 frames per second. Let me know what you think of the video quality, and what do you think of the audio quality that the microphones are picking up, of course. Now this front facing video was done a separate day from when I did the rear facing video, but nonetheless, nothing should really change, especially the quality. It just depends on what type of conditions there are outside, but overall it looks pretty good. One thing that's underrated with this phone here as well is the actual picture taking quality. I was kind of impressed by it. Now, as far as, you know, details in the photo, it does a pretty good job. Does it do a great job with everything? No, but 126 bucks. Can't be mad about that. So let me know in the comment section below, do you like the way these cameras perform as far as rear video, rear pictures, front video, selfie pictures, or front facing pictures, whatever you want to say? Do they, you know, live up to the expectation of what you think this device can produce? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. But be sure to share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.